How to enable JavaScript on Microsoft Edge. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable JavaScript on Microsoft Edge. JavaScript is a popular programming language that powers interactive elements on websites. So let's start the video. On your system, open Microsoft Edge browser. In the top right corner, click on three dots to open Edge menu. Now, click on Settings. In Settings, on the left side panel, search JavaScript in search box. Scroll down the page and click on JavaScript. A new window will appear. Now, click on Allowed option. This will enable JavaScript for all websites. But if you want to allow JavaScript for particular website, then in Allow, click on Add button. And enter your website URL and click on Add. This is how you can simply enable JavaScript on Microsoft Edge. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye.